Hi, in this video I will explain to you the difference between can and can't and when you can use it. In the first sentence we have Ali can play the piano. In the second sentence we have the boss here saying to his employee, you can go. Now what's the difference in meaning between the two can, this one and this one? So this one speaks about ability. Ali can play the piano. It is something that Ali can do and he knows how to do it. He can play the piano. While this one here, you can go, it speaks about permission. Something you are allowed to do. Okay, so in the first sentence, we have you can't smoke in hospitals. In the second picture, we have Hamad can't ice skate. Now, what's the difference in meaning between the two can't? This one, you can't smoke in hospitals, speaks about prohibition. What does it mean, prohibition? It's something that you have no right to do or you're not allowed to do. And while this one here, Hamad can't ice skate, it speaks about the inability. What does it mean, inability? Is something that you can't do because you don't know how to do it. Now, let's move to the form, how we can use can. So as you can see, after can or can't, you must put a verb. So for example, this is a correct sentence. He can speak English. This is correct. We cannot say in English, he can speaks English. This is wrong. No S, okay, at the verb after can. Also, he can too speak English. This is wrong. No to. So, for a positive sentence, we must use can plus a verb. So, for example, I can cook. The negative sentence is made of can't plus a verb. For example, I can't cook. And the question is made of four things. Can plus the subject plus verb plus object. Example, can you cook majboos? The answer, yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay, so yes, I can or no, I can't. You must use the same helping verb that you have in the question. You have can, so you must use in the answer can or can't. As you can see, okay, whether you have I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or they, it's always can, and just a normal verb. It's exactly the same with the negative. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they all take can't plus a verb. Okay, so remember, we use can or can't to express ability or possibility or permission. Thank you.